my channel. This is your fan friend Jacky Navarro. How are you? So today this is something new. I'm not a techie person, however, I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So it just arrived here in Thailand. It's finally here. As per our title, we will unbox the Samsung Tab S7 Plus. So they said that this tablet right here will beat the Pro 2020, so let's see if it will really beat that. So today we will do unboxing and I will show you or walk you through to some features of this tablet. So I didn't expect that it's going to be this big. The one I got is the LTE or 4G. So this one retails for 33,900 baht here in Thailand. Then for 5G, it retails for 39,900 baht. You can insert a SIM card. Also, you can insert a memory card up to 1 terabyte. So that's one of the advantage of this tablet. And it's really nice. So I got the bronze color. This is the closest to rose gold or pink. That's why I got this color. So it's really nice. So let's go ahead and unbox this tablet. I'm so excited. Let's go, guys. Nice. That's it for today, Fab Friends. I hope you enjoyed our unboxing video of the Samsung Tab S7 Plus. I hope it helped you decide whether you're gonna get this baby right here or not. This is my first time that I'll be owning a tablet, a high-end one. So I will update you on my next video after I use this for probably after a week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you again on our next video. Please don't forget to